Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing and the installation of Sony X80J 55-inch TV. The box of Sony X80J looks like this. I bought this TV offline from Reliance Digital. Since I bought the TV offline, the installation is done by Reliance Digital itself. Here you can see that on opening the box you can find accessories such as remote and some cables. And once you open the box completely, you can find the TV. It's a 55-inch TV and I would like to have it wall mount, so the technician will wall mount the TV. Here you can see that at the back he is removing some screws, and at the back of the TV you can see some ports. On this Sony X80J you will have 4 HDMI ports. 2 are the normal HDMI ports and the third one is the ER port and the fourth one is the DVI port. At the back you have the LAN port. You can simply insert the LAN cable and you can enjoy the TV. Here you can see that he is inserting the power supply cable into the TV. He is inserting some screws to wall mount the TV, as you can see over here. And here is the remote. It has a very big remote and it has all the functions. And here is a wall mount bracket. We need to tell the technician so that he will bring the wall mount. Here you can see that he is inserting the wall mount brackets onto the TV. And to wall mount the TV, he will insert some screws into the wall. Here you can see that he has drilled some holes and he will place some screws onto the wall mount bracket. Here you can see that he is fixing the wall mount bracket onto the wall. He is using some different kind of screws. And here you can see that he is making sure that the wall mount is fit perfectly. And once you turn on the TV, you can see the Google TV logo. And I will go through the setup process quickly. Since this TV supports Google Home, I will set up Google Home on my phone. Once the setup is done, you can see the Bravia logo. And after that, it will install some apps. And that's it. Here is the user interface of Sony X80J. As I said, it runs on Google TV. This Google TV is based on Android version. Here you can see that it has separate app store. You can use all the apps. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Let's go to system and let's go to about. Under about, here you can see the version of Android TV OS version. It is 10, Android 10. Since the speakers on Sony X80J are decent, let's try to play a sample song. Here you can see the output. Though the speakers on Sony X80J are good, I recommend you to buy separate home theater system for your TV to watch the content. Here you can see that since it's a 4K TV, you can watch the 4K videos on Sony X80J. And also Sony X80J remote has dedicated buttons, so you can directly go to YouTube or Netflix, or you can directly click on Prime button to watch the Amazon Prime. Here you can see that. And also this TV has a Google Voice Assistant. Here you can see the commands. Open YouTube app. Open Netflix app. The Google Assistant is working perfectly on the TV. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.